which are part of Islamic financial institutions, derive their fundamental principles from the Sharia. Takaful insurance is based on Sharia or Islamic religious law, which explains how individuals are responsible for cooperating and protecting one another. The first Takaful operator in Malaysia was established in 1984, and the industry has grown rapidly since then, with 15 Takaful operators operating alongside traditional insurance companies. As a result, my group members and I have agreed to use Etiqa Family Takaful Berhad, hereinafter known as Etiqa, for our presentation. Maybank Alyas, which is formerly known as Maybank Fortis, is an insurance and takaful operator based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It was from the merger of Maybank Group's three insurance businesses with National Insurance Berhad and Takaful National Syndrome Berhad. In 2007, the entire insurance and takaful group under the Maybank Group was rebranded as Etiqa Insurance Berhad (EIB) and Etiqa Takaful Berhad (ETB). EIB and ETB are composite insurance and takaful licenses that offer products and service through a variety of sale channels. Maybank branches are the banks, the internet, and ATMs are some of the channels used by the two companies. In 2018, Etiqa Insurance began conducting general and life insurance business license in accordance with the Financial Services Act 2013 enforced by Bank Negara Malaysia. Insurance coverage under the Public Sector Housing Loan Scheme has been changed to provide the best protection and benefits at an affordable premium price. The change will have no effect on insurance coverage for private sector housing loans such as ELIB and EGIB. Etiqa's total accumulated premiums for the fiscal year 2009-2010 were 4.5 billion ringgit Malaysia, while Takaful's contribution was 1.95 billion ringgit Malaysia. Etiqa made a pre-tax profit of 422 million ringgit Malaysia in 2009-2010. Today, Etiqa has more than 23,000 agency staff and more than 450 Maybank branches, ATMs, and third-party banks. Etiqa has the ability to work with customers and make their life more meaningful. It humanized this process in an industry rife with copy and small print by making a difference through transparency and strength. Etiqa's financial integrity, backed by Malaysia's largest bank, positioned it to be the leading insurance company in the country. Etiqa is already the market leader in Takaful with a 44% market share in 2010. It is also the leader in life or family insurance, takaful, and general business. Etiqa has received numerous international awards since its inception in 2007. Etiqa has won the Best Takaful Marketing and Most Outstanding Company awards. The company has also been named Best Baca Takaful at the International Takaful Awards 2009.
Now, the objective of these presentations are first, the main functions and operations of Etiqa Takaful, second, the products and its services, thirdly, the differences between Islamic and the conventional operations, lastly, the current states of development or performance issues and challenges. Next, the main functions and operations. Etiqa Takaful provides a wide range of family takaful alternative, general takaful products, and an Islamic medical card. Second, it also has a halal stock investment. Lastly, serve as an agent on behalf of the participant to administer the takaful fund and is entitled to the wakalah fee services for the service supplied. For the example, iSecure is a family takaful term plan that provides a lump sum payment in the event of death or total and permanent disability within the coverage periods, so that the loved ones will be financially protected because they have planned in advance. This iSecure uses the wakalah concept.
Moving on to what products and services that Etiqa Takaful provides. Etiqa Takaful products are covered by Sharia compliant plans and divided into two categories, which is personal plan and business plan. The following is product takaful for personal plans. Firstly, motor takaful and motorcycle takaful. Both of these plans are covered for loss, theft, damage, and more, with optional adds-on for total peace of mind. Tripcare Takaful, Sing Border Travel Takaful, and I Travel Easy Takaful are among the travel plans available. Travel delays, baggage loss, medical emergency, and other travel hassle were all covered under this plan. Aside from that, house owner and household Takaful protect your home building and belongings so you don't have to pay for damage or losses. Takaful for life and family includes I Secure Takaful, a plan that pays a lump amount of the beneficiary in the case of death within the coverage term, and I Double Secure Takaful, a plan that provides double the benefit if death or total permanent disability is caused by an accident. Mawadah 2 Takaful, a cost-effective protection plan for your hibah preparation. Prisma Takaful, the plan that provides coverage for your family from just RM50 per month. And Afiah Care Takaful is an affordable plan that covers 68 critical illnesses. Next, accident coverage for sport, crime victims, women and families are provided by Personal Accident Takaful. The following are some of the plans that can be chosen, which is Takaful by DPA, Rider Care PA Takaful, Takaful Private Car Driver and Passenger, Takaful Flexi PA, Mega PA Takaful, and Femina Special Takaful. Furthermore, Mabrur Takaful is a Takaful saving and comprehensive protection plan that support your Hajj and Umrah preparation. Prisma Plus Takaful, Harmony Takaful, and Charisma Takaful are insurance plans that provide generous financial coverage and allow for flexible savings. Hadiah Takafuling, Mahabah Takafuling, and Elite Plus Takafuling are the three investment options available for investment. This plan helps you increase your investment by rewarding you with an incremental cash return. The health plans that are available are E-Medical Pass Takaful, which is a Sharia-compliant medical plan that provides hospital and surgical benefit and cashless admission. E-Cancer Care Takaful, which covers early stage and major cancer treatments, and Medical Plus Takaful, which offer an unlimited lifetime benefit with a high annual limit. Lastly, the education plan is Madani, which is an education plan that helps to protect and ease the burden of education costs. The first product for business plan is Commercial Vehicle Takaful, which cover both your business vehicle and third-party injuries or deaths. Apart from that, asset and liability protection are provided, which cover dangers on land, sea, and air. Risk advice and protection, ERAP, from Etiqa is also provided for managing risk exposure associated with a company business activities. Group Medical Takaful allow businesses to safeguard their employees' health and safety. Last but not least, Public Servant is a Takaful coverage that helps to take care of your outstanding home financing amount in case of any unfortunate event happen to you. These are the only plans that Etiqa Takaful provides for their customers.
As the conventional operations are established under the principle of capitalism and transit business by charging interest, which is forbidden in Islamic law, so Muslims left with no choice except to establish their own financial institution under Islamic principle. Therefore, there are many differences between Islamic and conventional operations that we can find. Let's discuss the main differences between these two operations. First of all, differences between Islamic and conventional operation are the function and operating rule of Islamic bank are based on the principle of Islamic Sharia, while the function and operating rule of conventional bank are based on fully man-made principle, which is capitalism theory. Besides that, the Islamic bank products are usually asset-backed and involve trading of asset, renting of asset, and participation on profit and loss basis. Conventional banks treat money as a commodity and lend it against interest as its compensation. This is because Islamic bank profits are earned through exchange of goods and services, while conventional bank profits are earned through charge of interest on capital, which is interest depending on the time value. Furthermore, Differences between Islamic and conventional operation is the Islamic bank focus on the principle of profit and loss sharing between the bank and the client, therefore providing equal opportunity for both parties besides generating profit according to the Sharia law for the customer and the bank. In conjunction with that, the principle of profit and loss sharing compels the bank to the concern with the kind of business a client is involved in. Conventional banks, on the contrary, make their profit from the interest on loan and are usually less concerned about the profit made by the client, while the client is also not included in the affair of the bank as far as the profit are concerned. Last but not least, we can conclude the Islamic and conventional bank both aim at providing the much-needed financial service to their customer through extending loan to support investment and assisting the client in keeping custody of their money. However, the differences in the regulation and expectation from the concerns group prompt the difference in operations.
Next, we will talk and discuss the current state of performance and development of Etiqa Takaful Berhad as one of the Takaful operators in Malaysia. First of all, as my other group members tell before, Etiqa Malaysia become 4 main operating entities that are now grouped under 2 major subsidiaries, which is one for insurance and one for Takaful related services. The Malaysian Takaful industry, including Etiqa Takaful Berhad, continued its upward trend in promoting and enabling more Malaysians to obtain Takaful services protection despite challenges during the year. For the 9 months ended 30 September 2020, family Takaful new protection value of RM 364.2 billion, rising from RM 4.84 billion new businesses contribution were registered. The new protection value and new business contribution increased 14% and 3.2% respectively compared to the figures in the corresponding period last year. Chairman of the Malaysian Takaful Association, Encik Muhammad Fikri Muhammad Rawi, said, "This encouraging decent growth is evidence of the positive effects from reopening of the economy from COVID-19, especially during the third quarter of 2020. The industry will also continue to promote Takaful digitally and continue to play its role in providing protections to Malaysians." The positive growth of the Takaful industry also reflected the increasing awareness of the importance of protection among Malaysians, particularly during the pandemic period. Takaful operators like Etiqa Takaful Berhad have more than ever actively used the digital platform to promote Takaful awareness. This is the second year that Takaful operators, including Etiqa, are promoting Takaful awareness through social media. The targeted segment of the campaign is youths aged between 25 to 45 years old. They aim to educate the public on the essence of Takaful, the importance of protection, and to share some affordable plans available in the market. As a second largest insurance and Takaful firm, Etiqa Takaful Berhad have been rewarded with some award and recognition, which is the most outstanding Takaful company from Cliff Islamic Finance Award 2019, Best Motor Takaful and Family Takaful Company from iBanding Awards 2019-2020, Best Takaful Service Provider from Global Finance and Banking Awards 2019, Best General Takaful Provider Malaysia category from Global Banking and Finance Awards 2020, Best Islamic Takaful Institution, General and Family Takaful from the Asset, the Triple Islamic Finance Awards 2020. Another reward is Top Investment House, Etiqa Insurance and Takaful ranked first from the Asset Benchmark Research Awards 2020, Best Takaful Operator, Bansa Takaful Family Takaful Business category from the Malaysian Takaful Association 2020, Best Takaful Operator, General Takaful Business from the Malaysian Takaful Association 2020, Best Takaful Operator, General Agency Takaful Business from the Malaysian Takaful Association 2020, Best Takaful Company, General and Family Takaful from Islamic Finance News Award 2020.
Lastly, ending the presentation with the discussion regarding the issues and challenges Etiqa faces as a Takaful operator in Malaysia. Since the establishment of the Takaful operators in 1984, the Takaful industry in Malaysia has shown steady expansion since. It has grown in importance in the overall Sharia-compliant financial sector in Malaysia. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, according to the Malaysian Takaful Association, the contributions of the all-around general Takaful business contribution grew by 13.6% in 2020. The growth, however, posed a challenge to Etiqa as it influences low investment returns, which will continue to stifle Etiqa's profitability. The implementation of IRFS 17 will also remain a challenge for Etiqa Takaful as the deadline of January 2023 draws nearer. It is due to the uncertainty over the interpretation and application of the IFRS 17. The selection of measurement models and treatment of various funds have to be resolved by then. Another challenge is the stiff competition amongst other Takaful operators in Malaysia. As of date, there are currently 15 licensed insurance companies and Takaful operators in Malaysia. One of Etiqa's major competitors is Takaful Malaysia, a subsidiary by BIMB Holdings Berhad. In addition, Etiqa also needs to compete for the market share with other domestic Takaful businesses, as well as foreign players such as Great Eastern Takaful Berhad and Zurich General Takaful Malaysia Berhad. The shortage of Sharia scholars with enough practical experience is also a challenge for Etiqa Takaful. Etiqa must have a Sharia supervisory committee whose members are not less than 3 Sharia scholars to supervise Etiqa's businesses to build confidence in its target markets. Therefore, they must rely on the preferred Sharia scholars and those who have practical experience in the Takaful markets. Sharia scholars should not only be experienced in financial fields, but also in private financial transactions in Takaful. That is all from us. Thank you.